Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you two simple ways to verify your Navy Federal card for Apple Pay. First, open the Navy Federal mobile app. Tap on the contact button at the bottom of the screen. Call the phone number provided. Let them know that you want to verify your card for Apple Pay. They'll assist you through the process or help resolve any issues. If method 1 doesn't work, try this. Go to your iPhone settings, use the search bar at the top and type iPhone storage. Tap on iPhone storage, then scroll through the list of apps and find Navy Federal. Tap on the Navy Federal app, then choose Offload app. Once it's offloaded, tap Reinstall app. This will reinstall the app and help refresh its connection, which can resolve Apple Pay verification issues. And that's it. Those are the two best ways to verify your Navy Federal card for Apple Pay. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.